Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly, touch control board, transfer board, leather cover, power button board, solid-state drive, speakers, and keyboard assembly. Removal: peel back the metallic tape that secures the thermal module to the motherboard. Note the thermal module has numbers adjacent to the following 4 screws. Remove the 4 2.5mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the thermal module to the motherboard in numerical order. Carefully remove the thermal module from the retention clips that secure it to the motherboard. Important: the thermal grease must be replaced every time the thermal module is removed. Reverse this procedure to install the thermal module.